I got to do what I got to do for my family, you know? It's the only way I know.
A federal courthouse custodian gets to work on a bike.
Ahead tonight in our Inspiring Indiana report, who stepped up after his bike was stolen not once, but twice.
Ahead for us, Pfizer formally applying for an okay from the FDA to field its COVID vaccine, the next steps and how soon it could be available. Also, despite the warnings, millions will travel this holiday. We have important things to know before you fly when we see you on Nightly News.
Here's tonight's program lineup on NBC and Channel 13, sponsored by Franciscan HEALTH.
During the Subaru Share the Love event, Subaru will donate $250 for every new vehicle sold or leased from now through January 4th, 2021. Tomwood Subaru will also donate $50 to the Miracle Place of Indianapolis. For a limited time, get 0% financing to make the love go even further.
Your connectivity to the world has been completely redefined. Today and every day, IPL puts safety first for our people, our customers, and our communities. As you plug in, log on, tune in, and charge up, we are enhancing our energy efficiency programs to find new ways to help you save money. From rebates on lighting and smart thermostats to appliance pickup and recycling, they're all ready for you right now. IPL, in a world of change, our commitment is unwavering.
Don't spend night after night suffering. Visit the Aurora Specialty Sleep Clinic. Schedule your 35-minute appointment today. Our custom Aurora snoring device will help you sleep quieter and better, or you don't pay. Aurora, the sleep solution you've been looking for.
Why wait for Black Friday? Enjoy outrageous discounts store-wide, plus incredible finance offers. Take 5 years to pay with our everyday low prices. Shop Godby Home Furnishings pre-Black Friday sale now, just in time for the holidays.
Inspired by your nerves of steel and the nerves and joints that help our bodies go. Inspired by your return to battle and vanquishing your hand and wrist pain. Inspired by longer walks and breakthrough joint replacements that keep you in step. We're inspired to deliver the best in orthopedic care because at Franciscan Health, we're inspired by you.
Did you know that you don't need any money to hire Ken Nunn and you can become a client right over the phone? Call the Ken Nunn Law Office right now and let them get started on getting you a great settlement.
It's just that easy.
Wake up with Central Indiana's favorite morning news team. Chuck, Julia, Carlos, Karen, and Meredith. Weekdays only on 13 Sunrise.
During the Subaru Share the Love event, Subaru will donate $250 for every new vehicle sold or leased from now through January 4th, 2021. Tomwood Subaru will also donate $50 to the Miracle Place of Indianapolis. For a limited time, get 0% financing to make the love go even further.
When you buy from Tomwood Subaru, you're not just buying a car, you're making a difference, providing hope for those in need, providing joy for the youth in the community, providing a sustainable future. At Tomwood Subaru, we love to care.
Co-workers and strangers tonight are helping a man get to work easier after thieves stole from him once and actually did it twice. Our Emily Longnecker shows us this act of kindness in tonight's Inspiring Indiana.
Roadworthy. To some, this might not look like anything fancy. Just a simple green bike, 2 tires, a seat, and some handlebars. All right, here you go. But to the man it's being given to, 35-year-old John Wessel, this bike is a lifeline. It's the way John gets to work every day to support his 3 kids.
I got to do what I got to do for my family, you know? It's the only way I know.
For John, that means biking more than 2 miles to work here at the federal courthouse downtown, where he's a custodian.
I like it here. People look out for you here.
The Tech High School grad found that out last month after a group of security guards who also work here pitched in and bought John a new bike after someone stole the one he chained up outside.
They did out of kindness. gave it to me.
Not even a month later, though, the same thing happened again. This time, cameras captured a picture of the person police say took John's second bike.
I should be able to work and don't have to worry about somebody taking a bike.
For several weeks, John walked to work, remembering something his father wrote him in a letter before he passed away.
He said, I'm going to let you go, but realize you got to take care of your family.
This week, John got some help with that. When Matthew's bicycle shop in Lawrence heard about what happened and stepped in, gifting John with a new ride.
They didn't have to go do that, but they did it anyway because they want to be nice.
John's hoping this third time will be a charm. Also, the courthouse has agreed to let him park his bike inside the garage so it won't be a target anymore.
But bike or not, nothing was going to stop John from following his dad's advice.
I'm doing what he asked me to, just take care of my family. That's all I could do.
Turns out that's enough for others to want to take care of John, too.
You do the right thing, the people will look out for you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
Also awesome, the warm temperatures we have outside right now, and they're going to be changing tomorrow, Angela.
Yes, we're in the upper 50s, close to 60 right now. Take advantage of it because we have temperatures falling into the 40s for the weekend. We'll be upper 40s, close to 50. Few showers around tomorrow, but the steadiest rain will fall Saturday night through early Sunday.
All right, you getting those lights up tonight, Angela?
Doesn't look like it.
That's our news for now.
We'll see you tonight at 11. Good night.